Alright guys, let me try this again here. I was wanting to going through Dad's photo album, and I found a picture of me when I was little. And this is the first time I ever drove a lawnmower, and you can guess what it is. My third favorite one ever made, the best lawnmowers that ever made in my book. That was, I don't know how good you can see it. My phone's being crappy, but I gotta zoom out here so you can see it the rest of the way. But yeah, that was Dad's first lawnmower that I ever drove. I was two in that picture, believe it or not. That's how little I was. I got my little white shirt on, my overalls, my boots. I think I had boots back then, I can't remember. I can't see. Hold on a minute, I'll tell you. Yeah, I had boots on. But yeah, Dad's standing there beside me. That was back when he felt good. Yeah, I just sitting here searching through pictures and running across this and wanted to show y'all. Yeah, there's one day I had to make a full video of this and show you everything. Yeah, there's different pictures. I'll try to find this picture. Sorry if I'm holding y'all to the ground. I'll try to find a picture of Dad's first wife and show you what she looked like. I'll cut this off and come back to you here in a minute. Alright, I'll be back here in a minute, guys.